How to turn on light mode in Palmon Survival. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can easily turn on the light mode in the game. The first thing to do is to open up the game, of course, and once you're inside the gameplay, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar. Once you're inside, go to the bottom and tap Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Settings once again. Now, scroll down from the Settings menu and you'll see a light mode option. Simply toggle it on, keep it to on. And right after you do that, this will reduce visual quality for the sake of the performance, and you'll be able to enable the light mode. So right there you have it. This will help you reduce animations, special effects, or screen lags in your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.